In this video, I will show you how to swap positions of clips within the timeline, or how to move clips within the timeline without affecting the duration of the timeline or any other clip. For example, let's imagine this pink clip, you want to move it forward after the green clip. So you want to insert it after this cut here, or the edit point. Well, it's pretty easy. You can click on it and simply drag it. Forget about where the playhead is. Don't look at the playhead. Just look when it's going to highlight the cut. Here you are. Actually, looking at your mouse pointer. I'll do it again. Notice how it's going to highlight the cut. And it gives you some gray area to tell you this is where the clip is going to be positioned. You release, and here you are. You have swapped the position of these two clips. This one came forward, this one came backward. You can do the same for the other one. Let's change its color to pink. Clip color, and we're going to make it pink because they go together. And we click and drag, and you highlight the cut. Okay, here you are. You drop it. That's it. You have swapped the position. Now I'm going to undo this too. Okay, go back here and make it pink again. Also, you can do that with a selection of clips. For example, I can select this one, press Shift, and select the other one. Then I will click and drag, and here you are. You are swapping their position, which is pretty good for our project here because we want this clip, for example, to be at the end. The best would have been to take this clip over here, to click on it, and of course to drag it at the end of the timeline, wait for it to highlight the cut. Okay, here you are, and then drop it. We have swapped the position of this clip with the two others. So this is how to swap clips on the timeline. Thank you.